I'm just waiting for someone fantastic to come along who will surprise me by just being unexpected. Yeah, you know, I have been tweeting a lot about the film because I'm genuinely excited about it. I don't like fake people. I don't think anyone likes fake people. I don't like fake people. I see right through them, and then I don't like having them around. You know, I am really lucky that I have them in a film with me because they've been invaluable in their comic timing and in their support and all of that. So I'm really happy that I'm in a film with them. Her name is Shabana, obviously, and she's a very sweet, naive girl. She can be a little slow at times, a bit dumb at times. Hi, this is Manisha Lamba wishing Bollywood Hungama all the very best. You know, I've got personal feedback about the film that, you know, people are finding the film very fresh. They're finding the posters very fresh, they're finding the promos very fresh. The songs have been something that people have liked. So there is a good positive energy, you know, it's not looking like just any other comedy that, you know, you have around. Yeah, so that's the feedback I've been getting.
You got the most beautiful hair in the world.
That's really so sweet of you.
Yeah, you know, I have been tweeting a lot about the film because I'm genuinely excited about it, and I do feel that when you have something fresh and something new which you have to give audiences, you must go out and you must make them aware about it, because if you don't do that, how are they going to know? It's a romantic comedy, and it's a film about these two guys who are after one girl, and sounds predictable. Well, it's not, because it is going to be something that has a great twist to it. And it's not going to be a film which is just, you know, like two guys after one girl, because there is an inherent plot twist in the film which makes it something to look forward to. Now, I can't tell you what it is. You just have to take my word for it and go watch the film. That you will have to see in the film. Now, you know, there is a reason that we go through the process of making an entire film. Not so that we can come and tell you in interviews what the whole story is to begin with. You know, why would we make films otherwise? Her name is Shabana, obviously, and she's a very sweet, naive girl. She can be a little slow at times, a bit dumb at times. She takes people at face value, very trusting. If there are times when she's being made the butt of a joke, she doesn't understand it. And she has inherent trust in these two boys who are Rishi and Karthik, and she's oscillating between both of them and she can't decide. And, you know, she's a very simple, uncomplex character, and that's what I like about her. She's just simple. She's you know, not complex at all. She is what you see is what you get.
आप क्या कह रहे हैं? हमें कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
मुझे समझ में आ रहा है. मैं अब इसकी ये वाली भाषा थोड़ी-थोड़ी समझने लगा.
You know, I love comedy. I've grown to love this genre. It's fantastic. It's beautiful. And working in a comedy film with Sagar is very contradictory, because even though he's been making films that are comic in nature, by nature he personally is a very serious person, and it's amazing to see a contrasting personality making a completely contrasting genre of films. Well, you know, people may put pressure, rightfully so, but I'm not someone who takes pressure at all. You know, you finish your work, ultimately the fate of the film is what is going to drive it ahead, and you know, the fate of the film is what's going to drive it ahead, and you don't know what's going to work until it works.
मेरी आंखों में देखो, क्या दिखता है?
Dark circles. You know, I am really lucky that I have them in a film with me because they've been invaluable in their comic timing and in their support and all of that. So I'm really happy that I'm in a film with them. Them doing all the hard work, and, you know, it makes me look good in a scene with them. You know, they do all the hard work and get the laughs, and I get away with a pat on my back without doing anything. So that's our little secret. They don't tell anyone. So that's what I'm really excited about. Yeah, kicked about that. mixture of both because it is a situational comedy. There is going to be the rom-com aspect of it. There is going to be the laughs, which are some are going to be slapstick, not everything. But it is, I would say, a well-balanced comedy. It's not an intelligent comedy, but it's not yet completely stupid. It's a beautiful balance of that middle path where there is story, where there is love, romance, drama, family, action, songs. So the cat fights, so the whole thing is there in the film.
Oh my god, thank you.
चलो चलो अभी.
You know, I think sometimes I myself don't know what guys need to do to impress me. I think I have reached that juncture where I'm fairly clueless about that myself. So I'm just waiting for someone fantastic to come along who will surprise me by just being unexpected. Just don't be fake. I don't like fake people. I don't think anyone likes fake people. I don't like fake people. I see right through them, and then I don't like having them around.
Listen to the beat drop. This party's going non-stop. The music makes me crazy. So large but not that baby.
There is Hey Na 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 Shabana, and then there is Music Band Na Karo, Kesariya. Thank you, Mr. DJ. My God, I seem to love all the songs of this album, and truly so. I mean, I remember Bollywood Hungama gave it a fantastic review, and you know, he was spot on. I love the fact that he was, you know, loved the film and loved the music of the film.